Madam Speaker, when we look at the JUTC, it is still more affordable than other modes of transportation. But Madam Speaker, the government has de-invested in the JUTC. De-invested in the JUTC and has made it unattractive and unviable. And I'm going to give you some numbers. I'm going to give you numbers. Over the 4-year period, from 2015-16 to 2019-20, the number of passengers carried by the JUTC fell by a third, from 61 million to 41 million. This is before COVID. Before COVID. From 61 million to 41 million. But Madam Speaker, at the same time, according to Statin, the Transport Authority increased the number of licenses issued to contract carriage, hackney carriage, and route taxis from 17,465 in 2016 to 34,550 in 2019.
Doubled it.
They basically doubled it. The 96% increase in the issuing of licenses represented a 400 million increase to the government coffers, which came into the government coffers. But the JUTC saw a fall in their revenues of $1.6 billion over that time. So we have JUTC falling, but we are providing more licenses for private taxis to operate on the road at the same time, which also cannibalizes the revenues of the JUTC. Madam Speaker, those policies have led the JUTC to where it is right now. And we need to understand the impact of it. If we want a society where children and students can get to school and work, and workers can get to work on time in a way where they don't feel threatened, they don't feel in any way dehumanized, they don't feel that they have to pack up in the taxi that comes, we have to ensure that we make the JUTC works. We have to ensure. You said on Tuesday you're going to provide 200 new buses over a 3-year period. And I know there is 70 in the works starting soon. But Madam Speaker, I'm going to tell you that alone can't solve the problems at the JUTC. There also has to be a real look at the management of the JUTC.